Abstract. As the population continues to increase worldwide, the amount of domestic wastage produced in every household is also increasing. For example, India is currently the world's third largest generator of garbage, a- with a staggering amount of 70 to 75% of wet waste being generated is still left untreated. Unfortunately, most of us do not segregate our dry waste and wet waste, which makes composting impossible. The precious wet waste that can potentially become black gold still remains as an unusable junk inside our landfills. The aim of our project is to design an automated home composter system by taking necessary actions in a more environmental friendly manner, making it a completely efficient system which can be implemented in every household to take care of their own waste. The final product, that is, the compost, is a free flowing, earthy smelling, and ready to use for gardening purpose. This compost hence effectively replaces the kitchen waste with significant value addition. This automatic home composter ensures easy usage, easy maintenance, and a user friendly interface. Introduction. With India being the second most populated country, this eventually leads to a major contribution to the total amount of garbage in our country. This project aims at designing a simple and easy to use home composter that will encourage people to consciously deal with their domestic waste in a more environmental friendly manner. A viable alternative to landfills and incinerating for some biodegradable waste is composting. It helps the environment by reducing the amount of waste generated and getting accumulated in the landfills. Composting is a process which involves decomposition of biodegradable waste with the help of microorganisms present in the soil. The compost then formed is a nutrient-rich soil which acts like a very good fertilizer and can be used in fields to grow produce and for gardening purpose. Families and communities can help reduce the amount of domestic wastage produced by using this simple, compact, efficient, and easy to use composter. Problem statement. As the government is in the initial stages of trying to solve the garbage problem by implementing certain waste segregation policies and so on, enforcement of such laws regarding disposal of waste should be followed to curb the above problem. In waste management, the main challenge lies in effectively segregating dry and wet waste and accordingly disposing it in a more environmental friendly manner. The final burden of ethically disposing the waste still remains unsolved. Hence, a method of disposing domestic waste at the source itself is highly required. Instead of dumping all the waste into landfills, we need to opt to various technologies to convert organic waste into compost. Our system is designed in such a way that every household can take care of their own waste. These are some of the pictures how composting is done in daily life. System features. It helps in managing waste generated at household level. Since the system is automated, there is not much manpower required. It is portable and can be connected anywhere in the house. The system will notify the user when the fertilizer is ready, easy to operate and user friendly. Design module. The waste is added into the waste bin. The soil along with dry leaves is then put into the waste bin. The waste bin also consists of metallic shafts which rotate continuously when the motor is turned on. Motor driver circuit. The circuit consists of various components including the PLC which are used to control the operation of motor and blower. Power supply. The whole circuit gets powered on provision of power supply. Sensors. Sensor used is moisture sensor which helps to indicate the moisture content present in the soil in percent value. Arduino board. The operations of the moisture sensor and LCD are controlled using an Arduino circuit. Display. The LCD which is connected displays the desired output. Addition of biokiller. We add a composting aid rich in minerals and herbal components to the soil mixture so as to fasten the decomposition process, and a small amount of cow dung and neem leaves in order to reduce the foul smell. Design of waste bin. This is how a waste bin looks. The first image shows the front view of the bin. We can see that the motor is connected beneath the bin. All the electronic components are housed inside the box attached to the bin as shown in image 2. Image 3 shows the shafts inside the bin which rotate to mix the contents in the bin. Now you shall watch an animated video followed by explanation given by Karanza and Prajakta.
The system circuit consists of a 12-volt DC motor which has clockwise and anti-clockwise operation. This operation is achieved by using a PLC and two voltage relays that are connected to the digital out of the PLC so as to enable the clockwise and anti-clockwise direction of the motor. This is achieved by negatively and positively polarizing the two relays. The motor is further connected to an agitator which is present in the waste bin. With the help of this motor, the agitator can be rotated clockwise or anti-clockwise depending on the operation. Power supply to the system is derived from a 12-volt transformer with a power rating of 2 amperes. The direct current is achieved by using a rectifier circuit consisting of 4 diodes. Further filtration of this DC output is done with the help of a 1000 microfarad capacitor. From this 12-volt supply, another 5-volt is further derived using a voltage regulator. This is to power the Arduino board which uses a 5-volt supply as compared to the motor which uses a 12-volt supply. The moisture sensor is an analog input and the LCD is an analog output. Hence, these two are programmed using an Arduino board. The language used for programming is C. The final value of the moisture content of the soil is displayed on the LCD screen.
By doing this, we have taken the results for different soil samples, that is the moisture content of the soil sample. First, we have taken the soil sample. The moisture content which is present is 59%, which means it is a dry. Second is the 67%, which is intermediate. Third is the 83%, which means it is wet. Now we can conclude that while soil sample 1 has a no water droplet present and it is a dry soil, sample 2 has some water droplets present in it and hence the samples are not suitable for composting. Soil sample 3, it has an excess of moisture and hence needs to be removed. As the amount of the moisture content in the soil increases, it becomes unfit for composting. Conclusion is that with the help of our automated home composter, each individual can keep their surrounding clean by composting organic kitchen waste at household itself. The end product of this system is a nutrition-rich fertilizer which is helpful in providing necessary and important nutrient which is required for the plant growth.
Future implementation. With the addition of various sensors like pH sensors, humidity sensors, temperature sensors, and so on, the system can be further programmed to provide more and more information about the contents of the compost to yield a better final product. The method of introducing soil and composting aid can be done automatically. At the same time, attaching wheels to the machine can make it easily portable. It can be also programmed to count the number of days required for the compost to be 100% ready.